Good morning, students. Next topic is electric generator. Electric generator. What is generator? In generator, we produce electricity. So, what is the principle? Again, there are 3-4 parts of this principle: construction, working, as well as diagram. So first is principle. What is the principle? In generator, mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. देख लीजिएगा, in generator mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. यानी कि किसी भी तरह से आपको मैकेनिकली कॉइल को रोटेट करना है, चाहे गिरता हुआ पानी हो या यूज एनी डिफरेंट वेज एंड मीन्स, फाइनली मैकेनिकल एनर्जी इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी. सो व्हाट इज द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ दिस? सी, ABCD, A, B, C, D is a coil. This coil is kept between the two permanent magnets north and south. The two ends of the coil are connected to the two rings. One ring is this one, R1, second ring is this one, R2. Second ring is this one, R2. Now, these two rings are fixed on an axle, and they are connected in such a way, or they are fixed in such a way, they are insulated with each other as well as with the axle. Now there are two brushes, B1 and B2, which remains pressing these rings, and they are connected to the galvanometer. As it is rotated coil, then electric current is produced. This electric current is detected with the help of galvanometer. Again, you can check construction. A coil ABCD is rotated between the two permanent magnets NS. ये वाली जो coil है ABCD, इसको घुमाते हैं दो permanent magnet NS के बीच में. Two ends of the coil are connected to the two rings R1 R2. इस वाले end को R1 ring से connect किया, इस वाले end को R2 end से connect किया. Rings are fixed on an axle. ये दोनों rings axle पर fixed हैं, इस तरह से fixed हैं कि आप एक दूसरे के टच में नहीं. They are insulated with the axle as well as with the each other. They are insulated with the axle and each other. The rings are pressed with two brushes, B1 and B2. These two brushes, B1 as well as B2, are pressing these rings. A galvanometer is connected to check the current. Now these ends are connected with the help of wires to the galvanometer, and you can detect current produced. Thank you.